This time I'll show you the next kind of node that like when you work with. Of course, we can start with the same thing. Like we have w0 and x0 is 1. We have x1 w1, we have x2 w2, and we have xn and wn here, right? And but this time this one is summation, right? But this time it is the output will be something like uh, close to some values, close to some values from the previous, and all of them like linear or sigmoid. When the output is greater than some values, greater than 0, for example, you see that the output will be 1 or 0, or close to 1 or close to 0 in sigmoid unit. But this time I'll show you something different. That is, we need it to be like the output should be close to some values. For example, if this is the blue dot x, if this is the blue dot x, for example, maybe we want something like this. If this is 1.5, if this is 1.5, the output here should be highest at 1.5 and become lower when it like far from 1.5. So the idea of these values can be, of course, I think you already know, right? The Gaussian function, or function Gauss. Or what is the Gaussian function? The Gaussian function can be like has some variations, but we will use the simplest one. That is, for example, if we declare it to be Fn, the Gaussian one, it will be e power minus this w dot x minus some values square minus the center, right? And 2 of the sigma square. Okay, so this is the simple Gaussian function, right? Okay, so now. So it can be used like, because we have some flexible here. That is, this one is w0 plus w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus wn xn minus c square and divide by these values. Guys, both of them are constant, right? So if both of them are constant, we can declare it like again to be combined it into w0, right? Because w0 can be like just only w0 or w0 minus c. It is a constant, so it can be the same. And this one also the constant, right? So it can be, right, any constant. So the simplest term of the Gaussian function, when you use it with w dot x, it will be w dot x square. That's all. So it's very easy, right? So it's very easy. And again, this one is the output, right? This is not the f of n. Sorry, it is f of x right? So it's easy, right? Yes.